crime वाढला म्हणजे कितें जालेलें आहा. First of all, I would like to say who has been attacked was not from my conscience, was not from that conscience. Who were the attackers were not from this. Now, can you go into someone's mind basically if police could go into everyone's mind to say that okay, this fellow is going to create a crime, then there would have been no crime at all. So you cannot not basically blame a constituency or the thing. Well, I mean to say, police are looking into the matter. Honorable Chief Minister has given basically all the direction. Things have been taken care of.
Because it is capital city and more of economical things are happening in Panjim. So it is more vigil रावप गरजेचे आशिल्लें sir.
But vigil रावप गरजेचे आशिल्लें. Police are doing their job. That's what I'm trying to say. No, you cannot go into someone's mind. Otherwise, there would have not been a crime at all. So we should not blame the police also. Police will do the job. It is more, the important thing is what when after the crime is basically created, is been done. It is how swiftly the police has acted, and police have acted swiftly. See, I condemn all attacks to done on everyone. And I, as far as Mr. Rama Kankonkar is concerned, I personally know. In fact, I even sent him a message saying that well, and I sent him a message also saying that I am sorry for what has happened. It is really bad. See, this as far as the violence and all, this doesn't come in this democratic setup. So everyone has basically has a right to express his opinion. So it is what is happened. You also have got a right. I also have got a right. Whatever I have said, you may feel bad what I may have said, but that doesn't mean to say you can come and attack me or you got to attack someone else. This is totally unacceptable.
Arrest केल्या तितूंचे कितलेशे राजकारण्याकडेन त्यांचा संबंध असे म्हणून
I have got no. See, I have got. बेश्टे कोणाच्या बारेन फोटो काढले म्हणजे it doesn't mean to say. फाल्यां तूं माझ्या बारेन फोटो काडटलो and tomorrow you are say this thing with some crime. I'm just giving an example. It doesn't mean to say you have taken for so you're also involved in a crime. It doesn't happen that.
एक मीडिया के इंटरव्यू दिल्ले तेणे आपण बीजेपीचे सपोर्टर लास्ट टाइम एक
सपोर्टर आहात सगळे पार्टीचे सपोर्टर कोण आणि कोण असतात. So it doesn't mean to say party doesn't support Gundaism, no. In which way, where they have said, which party has said that they support Gundaism. Everyone may claim that I am your supporter, you are a supporter. And especially what happens when they create something, that's the time they said, I mean, तुझे supporter.
तुमची केन्ना एसोसिएशन आशिल्लें त्या जगदल्लाचे कडेन केन्ना
सॉरी
तुमची केन्ना आतां तो अरेस्ट केला कोण मास्टर माइंड कितें म्हणटा पळय तेजे कडेन तुजी केन्ना एसोसिएशन आशिल्लें
सी आय रिप्रेझेंटेड कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी वन्स अपॉन अ टाइम फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट I have got association with so many people, but I don't have any association with the crime. Thank you.